Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today we can discuss about how you can block or report as a spam if something found suspicious to you. Okay, so I already logged in my Gmail account, and here you can see the one email that is from OSN Plus, and I feel this email is really irritating to me. Okay, so see, there is two options. I already blocked this person, so I'm going to unblock and show you how you can block it. Okay, so I already opened this email. You can simply go back and see. So you have to just open the email and just click on three dots here, block OSN, report spam, and report phishing. But this is just a promotional thing, and we can simply block if you want, but the best option is unsubscribe. Okay, so this is not going to hamper either you or the form, OSN form. So, and if you report, it means you are going to notify to the security authorization, where this OSN Plus will be notified that there is something suspicious that can hamper to the public. Okay, so you have to choose the options wisely. So I'm going to simply block because I don't want anything from this, and that's it. So that's all, and I'm going to unsubscribe as well, so it is more easy to get unsubscribed from these kind of things. Okay, so I did both of things, and this is pretty cool. You have to just follow these simple steps to do that. Okay, now I hope you like the video, so kindly do share, subscribe, and do comment. If you still have any query, I will definitely help you out on this. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day.